You have probably heard this. Amazon is passive income. Anyone can do it, and you can start with 0 to 500 bucks. But let me tell you, all these are big lies. The reality is only 10% ever make over 10k a year. Now, why do most people fail? It's not because Amazon doesn't work, but because they were lied to. And in this video, I'm exposing the biggest Amazon FBA lies that most so-called gurus don't want you to know. We'll break down what it actually takes to succeed, what to avoid, and where to find real, actionable insights. And make sure you stay until the end because there's one lie that could kill your business overnight. So, let's get into it. One of the biggest Amazon FBA myth is it's a shortcut of getting rich. You might see the ads like, I made $100k in my first 30 days, or Amazon FBA changed my life overnight. But let's be honest, the reality is half of the new Amazon sellers don't turn a profit in their first year. Only 10% even make 10k in a year. That's less than 1,000 a month, which is far from the six-figure dream. So why do most sellers struggle? Because launching a new product on Amazon takes time, money, and knowledge. You can't just list a product and expect instant sales. Even if you do everything right, like research, branding, PPC, it still takes 3 to 6 months before most sellers start seeing consistent profit. And in the beginning, most sellers reinvest everything just to keep growing. Amazon FBA is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business that requires real effort. So if you are expecting to get rich in a few months, you are setting yourself up for disappointment. Have you ever heard this before? You can start Amazon FBA with just 500 bucks. It sounds great, but it's completely unrealistic. Let's break this myth down. If you want to launch a private label product and actually make money, here's what you will really spend before even you make your first sale. First of all, product inventory. Most suppliers require a minimum order quantity of at least $2,000 for a decent product. Then you need Amazon fees like referral fees and FBA storage fees take up to 30 to 40% of your revenue. And then there comes shipping and logistics. Importing products adds freight cost, customs duties, and taxes. And then if your listing doesn't look professional, you won't sell. Therefore, you need to have a budget for your product photography. And then you need to have a solid budget for your PPC campaigns to rank your product. After you do everything, you need to know how to run PPC properly, how to optimize it, how to make your main image for higher CTR. And if you don't know, you need to seek help from someone who knows like us. So can you technically start with 500 bucks? Sure. But you will run into inventory problems, struggle to rank, and burn throughout your budget before you even gain traction. Now, if you want to build a long-term Amazon business, plan to invest at least $3,000 to $5,000 upfront. Otherwise, you're just throwing money away. So, starting with $500, you are not starting a business. You are setting yourself up to fail. If you have ever been told that Amazon FBA is easy money, just list a product and watch the sales roll out, let me tell you, most sellers don't fail because Amazon is difficult. They fail because they think exactly like that. They think that Amazon FBA is easy for them. Here is what Amazon FBA is actually requires. First of all, product research. Finding a product that has demand but isn't overly competitive. Second, keyword optimization and SEO. If you don't know how to rank, your product won't be seen. And then PPC advertising, running paid ads to get sales traction. And then you need to handle customer services and returns, like handling complaints, refunds, and bad reviews. And then come the inventory management. If you run out of stock, your ranking drops. And you know, many Amazon sellers jump in thinking Amazon will do all the work for them. But the reality is, without proper marketing, branding, and pricing strategies, your product is just another listing that no one sees. And I know for sure Amazon FBA can be profitable, but it's not passive. And it's definitely not easy money. It requires business skills, data analysis, and constant adjustments. And honestly speaking, if you treat Amazon like a side hustle, it will pay you like a side hustle. But if you treat it like a real business, it can change your life. Many people think they can start an Amazon business alone, handling product research, sourcing, advertising, customer service, and logistics all by themselves. But my friend, Amazon is not a one-person game. Even the most successful sellers have teams handling different parts of the business. Yes, why trying to do everything alone can hurt your business. Let's say if you don't optimize your ads properly, you will burn cash fast. For example, if you want to launch a new product on Amazon, you need to know how to do product research, how to find a profitable product, how to do SEO, PPC, list the product, and also how to beat the competitors. And then you also need to know the guidelines of Amazon. You need to know how to troubleshoot issues. If Amazon suspends your account or suspends your listings, you need to know how to bring it back. So a lot of knowledge and things required at a time. And you cannot do all this alone. Even experienced sellers work with BAs, agencies, or teams to manage different aspects of their business. Because if you try to do it all alone, you will either burn out or your business will crash. So my advice is focus on what you do best and delegate the rest. Whether it's hiring a BA, outsourcing PPC, or working with a team like eCommerce. Getting the right support will save you time and money. And if you're trying to do it all alone, you are not building business. You are building stress. Many people believe they can just sign up for Amazon FBA, list a product and start making sales immediately. But before you even think about launching, there's a lot of work to do. And if you skip the pre-launch steps, your product is doomed from the first day. We follow a checklist to launch our new product, and you can also do the same for a great and successful launch. Remember, Amazon isn't a list it and forget it business. If you don't prepare, you will fail before you even start. Alright, so now you know Amazon FBA isn't a one-person job and you can just start selling overnight. But here's where things even get trickier, because even if you do everything right, your product could still fail. A lot of new sellers think that if they just find the perfect product, they will be set for life, that they can just launch, rank, and keep making money forever. This is a dangerous mindset. Even if you launch a successful product today, it doesn't mean it will stay profitable forever, and here's why. First of all, market saturation. The more sellers enter your niche, the more competition drives prices down. Then copycats and hijacks. Competitors will copy your product and undercut your prices. Amazon Basics. Amazon itself can use your sales data and launch their own competitive product. And then there's trade change. A product that sells today might not sell 6 months from now. Instead of betting everything on one product, smart sellers constantly launch new products, optimize their listings, and adapt their strategies. Success on Amazon isn't about finding one winning product, it's about building a real brand and constantly launching profitable products. A winning product today could be dead tomorrow. Another common myth is that you can just optimize your listing with the right keywords and start ranking organically without spending a dime on ads. Well, that might have worked in 2015, but today Amazon is a pay-to-play platform. Amazon now prioritizes paid placements and over 70% of sales on Amazon come from the sponsored listing. Now, why PPC is essential for success on Amazon? First of all, organic ranking alone isn't enough. If you are not running ads, your competitors are. And moreover, Amazon gives priority to paid ads. The first search results are always sponsored. Even top organic sellers use PPC. They reinvest in ads to maintain ranking. Now, the fact is, in 2025, if you don't invest in PPC, your product will be invisible. Now, the key here is not avoiding PPC. It's learning how to run profitable ads without losing money. So no PPC means no visibility, and no visibility means no sales. A lot of people start Amazon FBA thinking it's a passive income stream, that they can just set it up once and money will start flowing in while they sleep. That's simply not true. Just think about it. If Amazon FBA were truly passive, why do so many sellers spend hours managing their businesses every day? Here's what Amazon FBA businesses requires: PPC and marketing. If you stop running ads, your sales drop. Customer service and returns. Bad reviews can destroy your ranking. Inventory management. Running out of stock can destroy your listing. Amazon account health. Policy changes, suspensions, and hijackers can ruin your business overnight. Can Amazon FBA make you money? Absolutely. Can it be automated to some extent? Yes. But passive? Not unless you build a team or outsource everything. Now, if you want to make your Amazon FBA more hands-off, you need to invest in automation tools, BAs, or agencies that handle the operations for you. Here, what you need to understand is Amazon FBA is a business, not a lottery ticket. The more you put in, the more you get out. Alright, so now we have exposed the biggest Amazon FBA lies. But that leaves one final question. Who should you actually trust? Here's the issue. Many so-called Amazon experts make their money not from selling products, but from selling courses about selling product. And they sell secret formulas. But Amazon FBA has no shortcut. And you need to trust someone who knows. At Ecom Clips, we don't just talk about Amazon. We actively manage real Amazon businesses every single day. From PPC management to listing optimization to troubleshooting, we help sellers scale successfully without the hype. And you know what? We don't sell courses, we solve problems. And here at Ecom Clips, in our YouTube channel, you can find every resources free. We have a ton of videos, ton of blogs that you can check out and you can learn from. And also you can do or book a free consultation with us if you email us at info@ecomclips.com. And let me tell you, we help sellers all over the world and we want to be the most seller-centric company in the world. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest lie you have heard about Amazon FBA? And don't hesitate to let us know if you face any problem on Amazon or e-commerce. Remember, Amazon FBA isn't easy, but with the right knowledge, it's possible. See you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.